Hey everyone, it's Norm here from IMCARS, and today I'm going to show you how to change the language in your Porsche navigation and dashboard when it is in a totally another language. So this here you can see is in Chinese. I cannot read any of that. So very quickly, to change the language, you're going to go to this screen that has the oil temperatures, and here on your steering wheel you're going to click select. Now you're going to go down to the very last option and click select on your steering wheel. Now you're going to go down to the very bottom and click the second last one. You can see there, select that on your steering wheel, and now this allows you to select your language. So we are going to click English and go back, and now you can see all of this is in English now. So very easy, step by step, how to change the language on your Porsche center display. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed to our channel, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.